What if I told you that England is much more than Big Ben, red buses, and royal palaces? Beyond the famous landmarks lies a country filled with breathtaking countryside, ancient castles, charming villages, dramatic coastlines, and centuries of fascinating history waiting to be explored. From the world's oldest underground railway to peaceful parks, magnificent cathedrals, and vibrant multicultural neighbourhoods, England offers experiences that surprise millions of visitors every year. In today's journey, we're taking you across one of Europe's most fascinating destinations. We'll discover incredible cities, beautiful landscapes, hidden gems, and amazing facts that make England a dream destination for travellers from around the world. So sit back, relax, and let's begin our unforgettable adventure through England. 1000 interesting facts about England. Before we visit the country's most beautiful destinations, let's discover some fascinating facts that make England truly unique. England is famous for its love of tea. Every single day, millions of people enjoy a cup of tea as part of their daily routine. Afternoon tea is more than just a drink. It's a cherished tradition that has been passed down through generations. Whether at home in a cozy cafe or during a family gathering, tea remains an important part of English culture. Another remarkable fact is that the English language, which began here centuries ago, has become one of the most influential languages in the world. Today, it connects people across continents and serves as a global language for education, business, science, and travel. England is also home to the world's oldest underground railway system. The London Underground, commonly known as the Tube, first opened in the 19th century and continues to transport millions of passengers every day. It has become one of London's most recognisable symbols. Walking through England, you'll notice the iconic red telephone boxes standing proudly on street corners. Although modern technology has replaced their original purpose, these historic booths remain beloved landmarks and popular photo spots for visitors from around the world. Sports lovers may already know that modern cricket was born in England. Football is also deeply rooted in English culture, with legendary clubs, passionate supporters, and historic stadiums attracting fans from every corner of the globe. England's weather is famously unpredictable. It isn't unusual to experience sunshine in the morning, rain during lunch, and clear skies again by evening. Locals often joke that carrying an umbrella is simply part of everyday life, and no visit would be complete without enjoying a traditional, full English breakfast. Served with eggs, sausages, bacon, baked beans, mushrooms, grilled tomatoes, toast, and sometimes black pudding, this hearty meal has become one of England's most famous culinary traditions. These traditions, together with centuries of history and warm hospitality, make England an unforgettable destination. #London, the heart of England. Our first destination is the spectacular city of London. As the capital of England and one of the world's greatest cities, London perfectly combines history, culture, architecture, innovation, and entertainment. Every street tells a story, every neighbourhood has its own character, and every visitor discovers something unforgettable. The moment you arrive, you'll notice how effortlessly ancient landmarks stand beside modern skyscrapers. Historic churches, royal palaces, and centuries-old streets blend beautifully with contemporary buildings, creating one of the most unique skylines in the world. No visit begins without seeing the world-famous Big Ben and the magnificent Houses of Parliament. Standing proudly beside the River Thames, these landmarks have become symbols recognised across the globe. Whether viewed during daylight or illuminated at night, they leave a lasting impression. Just a short walk away stands Westminster Abbey, one of England's most treasured churches. For centuries it has hosted royal coronations, weddings, and historic ceremonies that have shaped the nation's history. The breathtaking Gothic architecture and peaceful atmosphere make it one of London's must-visit attractions. Next, head toward Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the British monarch. If you time your visit correctly, you can witness the famous changing of the guard ceremony. The precision, colourful uniforms, and ceremonial music create an unforgettable display of British tradition that attracts visitors from around the world. Nearby, St James's Park offers a peaceful escape from the busy city streets. Beautiful flower gardens, sparkling lakes, graceful swans, and tree-lined walking paths provide the perfect place to relax while enjoying stunning views of Buckingham Palace. Continuing along the River Thames, you'll discover London's lively South Bank. This vibrant area is filled with street performers, riverside cafes, restaurants, and spectacular city views. It's one of the best places to experience London's energetic atmosphere. Towering above the river is the famous London Eye. From the top of this giant observation wheel, visitors enjoy breathtaking panoramic views stretching across the entire city. Watching London's skyline during sunset is an experience you'll never forget. Art lovers shouldn't miss the Tate Modern, one of the world's leading museums of contemporary art. Housed inside a former power station, it features inspiring exhibitions from internationally celebrated artists. Across the river stands Shakespeare's Globe Theatre, a faithful reconstruction of the historic theatre where many of William Shakespeare's famous plays were originally performed. Watching a live performance here feels like travelling back hundreds of years into England's rich literary history. Shopping enthusiasts will find endless opportunities throughout London. Oxford Street offers hundreds of international brands, while Bond Street is known for luxury fashion and designer boutiques. If you prefer something more unique, Camden Market is filled with independent shops, handmade crafts, vintage fashion, and delicious international street food. Food lovers should also visit Borough Market, one of London's oldest and most famous food markets. Here you can sample flavours from around the world, from traditional British dishes to fresh pastries, artisan cheeses, gourmet coffee, and international cuisine. History enthusiasts can spend hours exploring the British Museum, home to one of the world's greatest collections of historical artefacts. Every gallery tells the story of ancient civilizations, remarkable discoveries, and human achievement across thousands of years. Another unforgettable attraction is the Tower of London. This historic fortress has served as a royal palace, prison, military stronghold, and treasury. Today, visitors can explore its fascinating history while admiring the dazzling crown jewels, one of the most valuable royal collections in the world. As evening arrives, London transforms into a city of lights. The illuminated skyline reflects beautifully across the River Thames, creating a magical atmosphere. Whether you're enjoying dinner by the river, attending a West End theatre performance, or simply walking through the lively streets, London offers unforgettable memories at every turn. More than just England's capital, London is a city where centuries of history meet modern innovation. Every neighbourhood reveals a different story, making it a destination you'll want to visit again and again. Transition. After exploring the excitement and grandeur of London, our journey continues toward one of England's most prestigious and beautiful university cities, Cambridge. There we'll discover magnificent colleges, centuries of academic excellence, peaceful rivers, and timeless architecture. But that's coming up in the next part of our adventure through England.